I am Oreste Karanja. It's unfortunate because of the power angles and self-interests. We still do not have a veterinary medicines directorate board, such that all the drugs that are sold do not have a regulator, and that is it's a challenge, and it poses health risks to Kenyans because we have drugs that are not regulated. Actually, as things are now, you can take any powder and maybe pack it and call it this drug, and nobody will ask you because we don't have the regulating board in place. What we are calling, if the Minister of Agriculture has failed, we call upon the President to intervene, and maybe we get a board soonest possible. The names that were given to the CS by the Kenya Veterinary Board are not the ones that he appointed. That's where this push for came into being.